Hiya! Hey, how's it going, everyone? I am Coach Meggin, and today we're gonna do a really cool forearm to your knee cartwheel that you can do for fun or in your floor routine. So let me show you, and then we'll go over some pointers on how to do it. You are starting from your knee, so if you're a righty, you're gonna go onto your right forearm first. And I kind of put it maybe 3 inches in front of the knee. And you can go slightly to the right if you want, not too far though. So your right hand straight, and then as you reach onto that right arm, you need to start lifting your back leg right away, because if it's down, you're gonna lead with your butt, and then it'll be like, ooh, like that. So you really gotta get that foot over your head and try to have your ribs in, because if you're arching too much, then you're gonna fall backwards. This actually happened to me while I was trying it. Or you want your feet to go right over your head. So a good way to get your balance is to practice your forearm stand. So just lean your shoulders forward. Take that back leg up until it gets up here right over your head. And then you want to also practice in a split like this. And then the hardest part is coming down. So if you're a righty, you're going to land on your left leg. So get that left knee down like in line with your elbow, because I landed over here a few times and it was really awkward. So you want to really try and get it as in line with this elbow as you can. And then I was noticing when I go, it's just like a regular cartwheel, how you have to turn your second hand. It's the same kind of thing. Your first arm goes, and then the second arm has to turn like this. So it almost makes like a, what is that? I don't know, like some kind of square. Like that, and then you keep looking at the ground, and then when you get that knee down, I noticed that this hand, not the turning one, the first arm that went down, so you kind of put your weight on your left arm, and then you use this right arm to kind of pop up. And the quicker you go, the easier. The ending is the hardest. So yeah, practice that ending like a lot. So get up in the split here, and then get that knee down. Try and hold this back leg up. I notice when it comes down too early, like a regular cartwheel, it's like a lot harder. So as soon as this knee hits, push and pull that chest up and use your hands. You can end in a nice pose like this. Notice how my foot's pointed. If you go like this when you land, ow, you're gonna jam your toes into the ground. So point your foot so that it's like that. And when you take off, I'm like this. You can do it like this and turn the foot under. It just doesn't look as nice. I think it looks more graceful if you have it like that. Oh, get a pillow when you're first starting, because I did like 50 of these and I'm starting to get a rug burn. And who wants a rug burn? Not I, said the fly. So you can just put that pillow down, maybe long ways. Let's see if it works. Much better. If you notice though on that one, my feet kind of traveled around. Really get those feet over your head so it looks more professional. You gotta really push up. See how I'm sinking in my shoulders right now? As you're up there, you gotta like push your shoulders up like that, and just have nice tight legs. Spot that ground as you're landing, and you might want to put on some knee pads so when you land it's not like, oh, or put another something soft. It's all about the padding. Get it first with the pads, so it's not as painful. And even you can put something, if you're a righty going this way, you can put a nice pad here in case you go over. And if you're a lefty, you would start, I like the double stag. I think it's easier to get into it. So, hi, I'm filming a YouTube video. FedEx guy. So if you're a lefty, be the same thing. You're gonna go onto your left forearm. You kind of lift here up onto the knee, and remember, as that arm goes, you have to start lifting this back leg. Then your right arm's gonna turn in towards the left. Whoa, and as you can see, it's my bad leg. And my feet went around the side. Let's try that again. I'm gonna try and get my foot over the top. More, much better. And then it looks nice if you go into a pretty knee, back leg straight position. I think you can do whatever you want. You can come up to 2 knees at the end. It takes a while, guys. It looks really easy, but you just have to practice. Okay, so I wish you luck. And yeah, remember to pad up. You can even put like a forearm pad. Alrighty. Thanks for joining me. And I have lots of other videos. So many on my channel. Just type in Coach Meggin, whatever trick you want, and it should pop up in the computer world. Okay, here's your end of the video trick. I'm just gonna do a pike press handstand. Gotta lean. I have a video on this too. See, I was arching and I straightened it out. And I'll just pike right back down. Uh-oh. And then to a straddle. Okay, see you later. Be safe.